Hello all my fellow builders, we are back at the Hobby Lobby to see if they have gotten any new model kits. Let's find out. We got some nice picks here, all the usual Hobby Lobby suspects. Kashatra, real grade Zaku. Been thinking about this high grade God Gundam here. I really want to get a God Gundam, but I don't know if I should go with the real grade or the high grade. So we got some Leos down here. We got another real grade RX-78. Some cool Star Wars kits. Transformers, we got an entry grade. And then we've got some of these old school Gundam Wing master grades, which you don't usually see in here, but we got this double Zeta. We got this master grade Gundam Alex here, which is one of the ones I'm definitely gonna get when it's on sale and I have some extra money. We got some more Gundam Wing kits over here, the Heavy Arms, the Sandrock, Wing Zero. Not too many new kits, but we got Mazinger Zero, the real grade Galgaigar, and the Unicorn, and of course, the 3.0 master grade of the RX-78. Got a Barbatos here. All the usual picks: Goof Crimson Custom, Blazing Gundam, real grade Wing Gundam, SD. All the typical picks, but no surprises today. So we'll keep an eye out for next time. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more model kits. Like and subscribe.